Yeah, I was.
Midnight Mausoleum. Midnight Mausoleum. Whoa, there's a specter on the wall. I thought they told us not to run.
Don't stop with me. Wait, can I be with you? Can I stick with you? Yeah, come. No! Okay, go! Can I stick with you? I'll stick my hand. Oh, continue walking! Can I stick with you, please?
Yeah.
Can I be with you too? I'll stick my hand. Can I be with you?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, you have a quick in your face! Well, you got quicker! You have pretty eyes! Give me. Let me your last one. Thank you. I collect! What is that? I'd love to see. I'm good. She's She's doing it.
Ah, what the?
I'm good. I'm chilling. I'm here. Huh? You go.
No, stay. Oh, this is trippy. This is trippy. This is trippy. This is trippy.
Yes. This is trippy, though.
Where teams go? Come on, we have to go up there. Come on. Come on, we have to go up there. What are they doing to teams?
I didn't think that was real.
I was gonna slap that dog pee out of here. Yeah, I'm with my dad. I'm with my dad. You can't touch me.
You almost.
Come on, go. Hey!
That was pretty funny. Like, the whole first part of that was pretty uneventful. But those kids in there were just hilarious. And, whoa, that's a pretty cool Fright sign right there. But that thing ended up being pretty fun. I wouldn't say it was the best house, but it was fun. Especially with all those kids just screaming. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? souvenir hunts at gift shops. I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.